Welcome to Instruqt Tutorials. In this video, we'll discuss how to integrate the version control feature with GitHub. Let's get started. First, make sure you have version control turned on for your organization and selected tracks. If you are unsure how to do this, check out our version control tutorial to learn how to get started. Let's head to play.instruqt.com. Open up the Settings tab and select Version Control. Here we see the GitHub integration. Select the Install button. This will redirect us to GitHub, where we'll continue the application installation. Once we've logged into our GitHub account, we're given the option to install Instruqt on all repositories or choose select ones. Let's leave all repositories selected. Notice the permissions list at the bottom. The permissions that the Instruqt GitHub application needs are read access to metadata and read and write access to code. For more information about these permissions, refer to our documentation page. Looks good. Let's go ahead and select Install. Note that depending on your settings, you might be asked to provide two-factor authentication details to move forward. And now it takes us back to the version control settings page, which now shows that the integration was successfully installed. Great! Now let's connect a track to a GitHub repository. Let's select our track. On the track dashboard, make sure that the Enable Version Control widget is turned on. Then click Connect to a remote repository. All of the repositories for your connected organization will appear here. Use the search feature or select the repository you wish to connect. Keep in mind, the repository must be an empty repository outside of the standard initialized files on GitHub. Now, let's select Connect to Repository. And success! We see the track is now correctly connected, and the version control widget now displays the name of the connected repository. Now any changes made to the track or the repository will automatically be synced to the other side. Now that we're connected, let's take a quick look at this in action. Let's click on View Webhook Events. This page will show all incoming webhook events from GitHub. Let's switch over to our GitHub repository and make a quick change to our track. Let's commit our changes. Back in Webhook Events, we see our new event appears. Click on the event to see more details. Awesome! For more information on integrating version control with GitHub and its limitations, head to our documentation page.